Imagine you're out there, knowing you have a lot to offer, but somehow she just isn't noticing. Frustrating, right? It's a common scenario where you're putting in the effort, but it feels like you're invisible. Why does it seem like you're always chasing and never being chased? The truth is, getting the attention you deserve doesn't have to be a battle. By the end of this video, you'll learn irresistible tactics that make any girl not just notice you, but actually beg for your attention. Number 12. Don't rush to apologize. Too many men fall into the trap of apologizing the moment they sense trouble brewing. It's like a knee-jerk reaction. Any hint of dissatisfaction from her, and they're scrambling to say sorry. Think about it, if she hints at a breakup and your immediate response is to apologize, it screams desperation. Believe this, she translates every unnecessary apology as a sign of weakness. So unless you've committed a major betrayal, keep that apology in check. Stand strong and maintain your dignity. Don't let "sorry" be your surrender flag. Number 11. Take time to respond. Stop being so quick to reply. It might seem minor, but delaying your responses can shift the entire dynamic of your interactions. When you don't rush to answer every one of her texts immediately, you stir curiosity. She starts to wonder, what is he up to? Why isn't he responding like he always does? This tactic adds a layer of mystery and intrigue to your persona. Next time she texts, wait, give it an hour or two. Let her marinate in the unknown. Show that your world doesn't revolve around her notifications. Number 10. Make decisions yourself. Be the man with a plan. Women are drawn to men who lead, not those who wait until someone hands them the menu. Before a date, do your homework. Choose a spot that aligns with your budget and style. When you take charge and make decisive choices, you set the stage. It shows you're a man of action, not reaction. If you let her make all the decisions, she might feel in control temporarily, but deep down, she knows it's a hollow victory. She wants to feel like she's joining a journey, not leading a follower. Make clear choices and stand by them. She'll notice and respect that strength. Number 9. Avoid asking why. One huge mistake you might be making is asking why during a breakup. When she decides to leave, she doesn't need a concrete reason, and she certainly won't give you one that makes sense. If you press for answers, you'll get the runaround with cliches like, "It's not you, it's me," or "I just need some space." Chasing these answers only strips you of your dignity. Understand that if you're meant to be with someone, one good reason to stay is enough, no matter the problems. Conversely, if she's looking to leave, she'll use any minor flaw as an excuse despite all your good qualities. Stay strong and don't degrade yourself by begging for reasons. You're better than that. Number 8. Leverage fear of missing out. Use FOMO as your ally. Start showcasing your dynamic life on social media, those climbing excursions, weekend road trips, or nights out with the crew. Let her see the blast you're having without her. When she sees your life full of excitement and adventure, she'll feel that itch of missing out. Show her that your world is vast, vibrant, and exciting with or without her. This tactic is magnetic, it draws her in and makes her want to be part of your thrilling world. Just remember, balance is key. Overdoing it can seem desperate. Share enough to tantalize, not so much that it turns into a soap opera reel. Number 7. Attract with your achievements. Focus on your success and let your achievements do the talking. A man driven by purpose and passion naturally attracts attention. Whether it's climbing the career ladder, excelling in sports, or mastering a new skill, success is highly attractive. However, there's a fine line between sharing and boasting. Highlight your wins but keep it humble to avoid turning her off. The goal is to spark her interest, not to broadcast every trophy or promotion as if it's breaking news. Show her that you're a man of action and ambition, someone who commands respect and admiration through real accomplishments. This approach makes you irresistible. Number 6. Always look your best. Listen up, if you're stepping out looking like you just rolled out of bed, forget about getting her attention. If you want her to beg for it, then be the best dressed man in the room. Start with the basics, keep your beard trimmed and neat, or go clean shaven if that suits your style better. Wear clothes that fit well and match your personal style. Think crisp shirts, well-fitted jeans, or sharp suits depending on the occasion. And don't forget the details, clean teeth, fresh breath, and a good fragrance are non-negotiable. Looking top-notch isn't just about impressing her, it's about commanding respect and standing out from the crowd. Make grooming and style your weapons of choice. Number 5. Send mixed messages. Never be an open book. If she can predict your every move, you're just another guy. Instead, throw her off. Today you're attentive, tomorrow you're aloof. Send her a sweet goodnight text and then go quiet for a day or two. No, don't play games, you just got to keep her guessing. Why does this work? Because uncertainty fuels intrigue. When she can't figure you out, she'll think about you more. She'll wonder what you're up to, who you're with. Before she knows it, she's hooked and waiting on your next word. That's how you keep her begging for your attention, by never letting her feel too comfortable, too sure. Number 4. Hide your feelings. Showing too much too soon is a fast track to indifference. If you like her, that's fine, but she doesn't need to know how much yet. Showing all your cards just puts you at risk of being taken for granted. Keep your emotional cards close to your chest. Find joy in what you do alone. Show her that your happiness doesn't hinge on her presence. This creates an allure and makes you appear as a man with options, a man who is sought after. When she sees you're not overly invested, that's when the tables turn. Suddenly, you're the prize and she's the one chasing. Remember, women are drawn to men who can live richly with or without them. Number 3. Don't look for approval. Stop the chase for validation. You're not on stage and she is not your audience. When you try too hard to entertain or impress, it chips away at your self-respect. If you're constantly seeking her approval, that's playing a losing game. Women are not looking for a man who nods along to everything they say, that's a weak man move. They're drawn to men who stand firm, men who are secure in their identity. When you stop fishing for her nods and smiles, you present yourself as a man of value, a man comfortable in his own skin. Number 2. Turn negatives into positives. Try the tactic of reverse psychology with the negative to positive strategy. It's about flipping the script, using a seemingly negative comment to trigger a positive reaction. For instance, if she shows up in casual wear, remark subtly that she's usually more vibrant. This will prompt her to step up her game next time and aim to impress you. This strategy keeps her striving for your approval. It's a dynamic that keeps her engaged by pushing her to constantly prove her worth to you. When you maintain this balance, you keep her interested and invested in gaining your favor. This turns every interaction into a challenge she's eager to accept. Number 1. Reflect on yourself. Self-reflection is your first step towards gaining the upper hand. Before you even think about her begging for your attention, assess your own value. Ask yourself, are you physically fit? Are you financially secure? Are you living a life that you're proud of? Understanding your own worth is key. If you're chasing someone who doesn't match your level, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Reflect on your contributions to the relationship. If you've been a solid partner and she didn't see your worth, then maybe she wasn't as high value as you thought. Once you understand this, it changes the game. She's not doing you a favor by being with you, you are the prize she should be striving to win. This realization will make her see you in a new light and ultimately make her work harder for your attention.